Hello guys, so in this video we talk about what is Prospectr tool and how it can help you, right? And for whom this product made, right? So without time wasting, we quickly start our Prospectr tool review, right? So first we understand what is Prospectr, right? So Prospectr is a cutting edge AI powered lead finder designed to revolutionize your lead generation process. Means this is basically a lead generation tool, right? Through which you can generate highly qualified lead for your business, for your online business, right? Or with Prospectr you will means what can do with Prospectr tool, right? First is discover fresh leads from Facebook in real time. Means you can generate highly qualified leads from Facebook, right? Fresh leads. Then identify the most suitable leads for your social media marketing service, right? And if you have the marketing service, marketing agency, then this product really beneficial for you, right? You can identify more suitable leads, right? A comprehensive overview of the most promising prospects and allowing you to focus on the highest potential leads. Rely into business website and analyze their reviews and rating on social media. And sort through the data effortlessly and tailor your searches to match your specific target. Means you can sort your data with effort, less effort, right? With less effort, and tailor your search to match highly specific target. Then exporting the data in just a few clicks, right? Then here's some key features of this product, right? So first is real-time lead discovery tool. Means find business leads in real time from Facebook who needs social media marketing service. Then second, AI lead enrichment technology. Means once the favorite lead are bookmarked, means when you find your favorite lead, then they are automatically enriched with even more business details like phone numbers, page, rating, etc. Means you get all the lead means data about the prospective, right? Prospect. You get all the data about prospect, right? Through this technology. And third is AI prospect score. Means AI powered prospects advanced algorithm analyze many data points. It then delivers a comprehensive evaluation of each prospect's potential, allowing users to spot the best of the best leads in just a second, right? Means AI prospect score your leads potential, right? That if they can buy from you, if they become your client or not, right? So with the help of AI prospect score, you can find that your lead potential, your lead can become your client or not, right? You can easily find by the data with the help of AI prospect score. Then fourth feature, universal AI widget with 300k free words. Means Prospectr has a universal AI widget allows user to leverage AI from within the app. Means create outreach campaign, custom report text snippets, and more from within a single dashboard. Right? Means you can create so many things, do so many things from one single dashboard. Right? Then fifth feature, that is rapid keyword and location search. Means search by keyword and profession and location to generate a wealth of lead in just a minute. Means you type any keyword, any profession, any location. Means New York, right? Profession like doctor, CA, right? And for the keyword, you also search any barber, right? If your service for the barber, then you can search for barber, right? Then sixth feature is comprehensive lead data. Means access essential information like business names, addresses, then phone numbers, critical page metrics, right? All the data about the lead you will get on this tool, right? Easily get. Then seventh feature is desktop calls. Means video interaction. Means make direct calls from within the app using the desktop call feature. This is a basic call feature, video call feature, right? Then eighth feature is one click email outreach, SMTP integration. Send email from within them. Means you can send an email, right, from to your lead. Ninth feature is social reviews insight. Means access to social review and rating of a business, right? Lead. to gaining insight into a business reputation and identify opportunity to offer additional service, right? Means you get all the information about the business of lead, right? Of your lead, right? Then 10th feature is website presence check. Means identify businesses with websites to unlock even more opportunities such as offering paid advertising, email marketing, chatbot services, right? Means you can check the presence of website. Means your leads have website or not, right? And 11th feature is instant messenger connection. Means one click access to leads messenger lets you connect with the potential lead instantly, right? When you can message your lead, right? Then 12th feature is preloaded messenger cold outreach script. Means preloaded cold reach out script that are hard to ignore by the prospects included already, right? Means this is a cold script, cold script which I send for to lead to warm the lead, right? To convert cold to warm lead, right? 13th feature is effortless business page access. Means jump over to business Facebook page with a single click. Well, you can go to business Facebook business page with a single click from the Prospectr tool, right? 14th feature, easy lead management. Means organize your all the lead efficiently by moving them into folder for efficient lead management. Means you can create a different folder like potential lead, non-potential lead, right? So you can differentiate your lead. You can easily manage your lead, right? And 50 is export to CSV, means export lead to CSV for seamless integration with third-party autoresponders. Set up future follow-ups easily, ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. It's export, right? Then 16 feature is export to PDF, right? 70 features native integration with the ConvertLead and Pages, means seamlessly integrate with our flagship program ConvertLead and Pages, all powered by AI. Means nurture and close your leads effectively with a unified ecosystem that optimizes your conversion process. By these pages, with the help of these pages, right, you can convert and nurture your lead, right? Then this is the one tutorial about Prospectr tool, right? Okay, how we can use this Prospect tool, right? Okay, everybody needs buy list. Prospectr Prospectr is perfect for every marketer, online or offline, right? First is local businesses, product creators, digital marketers, freelancers, then video marketers, social media experts, then consultants and coaches, digital and local agencies, affiliate marketers, SEO experts, e-commerce and brick and mortar store owners, content creators, means all these persons. For all of these persons, this product very suitable and more benefit, because lead is very important for all of these persons, right? All of this profession, all of this work, right? It is all review about this product, right? Then you also go to the sales page of this product, right? So you can see this interface. See, you can read that experience the power of real-time AI leads discovery and set your agency grow on fire, right? So ready to dive deep into the future of lead generation, the powerful lead generation, how to use AI to find high quality lead effortlessly, how to engage leads with personalized email campaign, exclusive bonus and not available anywhere else, maximize exclusive bonus is not available anywhere else, then maximize profit with foolproof strategy for local business and get an exclusive offer on live webinar, right? This person do live webinar on the day of launch of this product, right? So you will get all the detailed information about this product on the launching day, right? So you can read that. You can read that register for one time only training webinar and win a free copy of Prospectr that will be show live on 21st September 10 a.m. ET and by means New York time, right? So you can register for this webinar. This is completely free. So you can register for this webinar. You will get all the information about detailed information about this tool, right? So this is all about the review and the link of this page I will mention in the description box, right? So you will easily go to this page, right, and can register for this webinar, right, which you do on 21st September, right? And one more thing, that if you purchase this product from my link which mentioned in the description box, right? Then you will also get one more exclusive bonus from me. So what is the bonus and how you get this bonus? For that you also read description, right? So that's all about the review. So we will see you in the next video.